Hello, in this video we'll be trying to set up the outdoor lightbox asset together. So first we'll get some kind of map that I can use, some kind of scene that I can use. So go for the town mega pack. The reason I go for this asset is that the model's rather low polygon and the textures are not particularly detailed, so we can see how well the lighting goes on to improve the look, the visual quality of the scene. Okay, so now that it has been imported, can go to the scene. It's quite a gigantic scene. The materials are not very high definition, and also the models are low poly, so it's a very good chance for us to, some of the stuff are out, and it's a very good chance for us to check how well the post-processing and the lighting can improve the way the scene looks. Okay, so let's do it now. Go and import the post-processing stack. Let me check whether the scene can run or not. Is there any error? Is there an FPS controller? No, there's no FPS controller. So I guess we have to import the character prefab. Okay, give me a moment. Which is under this character. Okay, it is. That's right. Okay, so yep, we are ready. So now here comes the lighting. So let us now import the actual light set itself, outdoor light box. Okay, so there are a few things to check. First, we have to check under edit, go under project settings, graphics, check that we are in deferred mode, as well as we are using shadows and linear color space here. So what you do is you go to File, Build Settings, then you go to Player Settings, and then you'll look over here under Other Settings, the color. Under Windows, you'll see this light box. You click on it, and then just dock it over here. Okay, so you'll see there are settings files over here. That's Profile and Post-Processing Profile. So if you click on this, then you'll see that it is the default settings, and also you'll see this folder. This one is the important folder that you should look at. It's settings, and there are light boxes as well as post-processing effects. Alright, so before we do that, I want to move our model perhaps to this swimming pool area, because it's a bigger area for us to look at things. So let me just move the FPS controller there. Okay, so roughly here. Okay, anyway, it doesn't matter. We haven't applied any profile yet. Okay, so what we do next is we just choose one of the light box that you want. So let's say I want to have the default settings first, the Unreal Engine one, and then once you're done, you click load, and then it will load everything over here, and you'll see that it looks actually pretty good. Okay, so let's have a look now. Let's run. Yeah, it looks quite awesome, doesn't it? Let me jump over the wall. I think the motion blur is a bit, probably the motion blur. Is there a motion blur? Not sure. Let me get my player over the other side. Let's have a look at the quality now. You can see that it looks much better right off the bat. Okay. Okay, then after that you can also put the lighting mode under bake and just bake button, so everything is inside this window, making it quite convenient. And we can run it again. Okay, the baking took about 5 minutes. I'm on a GTX 980 and it took 5 minutes. So let me run this. You can see that it looks pretty good, doesn't it? So you can have a walk through this. Yeah, it's just quite nice. So let's try other profiles. Okay. Let's try UE2. Load this. Not much difference, right? Let me try the last one. Do I have to clear and bake it again? Probably I should, right? Yeah, there's a little bit of difference. Let me check. Perhaps not. Okay, anyway, let's try Filmic. Let's load this. Okay, this is very different, isn't it? Okay. Can we get anywhere else? Come on. It looks much better. Okay, let's get to the main lobby. Stuff like this. Okay, let's play around with the different profiles. Okay, let's use another settings. Let's try this nature. So we should probably be in nature in order to use nature, right? Can't see much of a change here in the building, but I know that's a big difference. I've seen it before. So let's get out of here first. Okay, so let's just look outside the building. Okay, just like that. So let's try to load different settings. Let's try Filmic again. Okay. Let's now try to do there you go. This is one of the high contrast kind of look. I like this a lot. UE3. Very nice. Go to the car park and have a look. Okay, let's change here. So this looks quite good. Okay, let's try extreme. What is extreme? So it's bluish. It's a bluish tone. Pretty good. Very dramatic. Okay, let's try UE2. Less contrasty. Okay, let's try Horizon. very similar. Okay, let's now try a different lighting profile. I will not play this. We shall load the desert one. Okay, click load. See, it'll automatically change to UE2 automatically. I should probably bake, I guess, but I just won't. Okay, I just won't bake and I'll just run. Ah, this is quite good. Whoop. Do not know what happened there.